Okay, we're night one and about to go into our hotel.
Ooh, wow! Tum hi hai, humra hi. Wow! That is so impressive, and there's more. Oh my god, there's cake!
Yes, there's cake.
There's cake!
Happy 10 years, AM Con. The airport. And this guy
Of all places.
found Jaja Prasar, which dude, that looks like something out of Fiji.
Yeah. Bring me another. Bring me another.
Just woke up and that's my view.
This is the view from our room. I could stare at this all day. And this is the resort.
Alright, there he goes. Look at this guy go. Living his best life.
What a life. What a life. Alright, heading back in, and that's actually our resort right there. That's our room. Because happy anniversary, right? When it's raining, it's all good.
Exactly what we wanted. It's raining.
This is crazy.
Alright, our massage is over and now we get to enjoy our milk flower bath. I mean, this is a treat. When in Lombok. Well, we're here at Villa Nirvana. It's our beautiful door. Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome. welcome.
Welcome.
Welcome to Nirvana.
Welcome to Nirvana. Villa Nirvana. What's going on in here? Oh, what's this?
This is our setup.
Oh my.
Our honeymoon.
I know, our honeymoon. Honeymoon?
Outdoor
They think
shower.
I know, we have an outdoor
We have a giant fan.
shower and bathtub. Look at that. You know I'm sitting in that.
I think it's the first time sarong has mixed with the Burberry. And here we are, the lovely wife. What outfit are you wearing?
I am wearing your traditional Balinese sarong.
Ah, I see.
Yes.
Yeah. Keep the balance.
First view?
Ja, så där held the offer där.
So we're about to go check out from our rice accommodation. he had some repressed memories come back, so we no longer going to be staying anywhere that has mosquitoes and bugs.
What did I describe?
Our vacation got put on hold. That tub is also decorated, and you can see outside the pool that's decorated. Wow.
From the bathtub, I can jump in.
Right? Look at that.
Outdoor shower.
Outdoor shower.
Camera on, 1, 2, 3, action!
I'm ready, baby.
Please keluar.
Oh my god.
Still in. Yes.
Wow. Where are we at, my love?
We're at the Kempinski Hotel because we have reservations at the Koral restaurant.
Wow. This is high class. Yeah.
I got you too. Thank you. Thank you. You hear the background music?
Wow, they did that? What? Wow. Yeah. Alright, so we ate at Rembolean.
I found it.
Alright, last day in
Yeah.
Jakarta. Yeah.
What's that?